everyone there and welcome to my channel and I am Moksha. And in this video I am going to explain you about variables in Python. So let's begin. First of all, what are variables? Variables are nothing but the containers which store some data. In Python, you can store data in forms of a sentence which is nothing but a string and as a number which is nothing but a integer as a float, and float is nothing but a decimal number. So we can store them in Python in a variable. So let's declare a variable called a is equal to Jake, and this is a variable containing a sentence called Jake. See, we have successfully declared or defined a variable in Python, and you can also print it using print statement. And one more thing I want to say, that don't keep quotation marks while printing a variable. If you keep, what will happen, I'll show you now. When I press run, see, it is giving us a, but it is not giving us Jake. See, because of this we are getting a problem. So you need to remove quotation marks, and when you run it like this, see, it is giving Jake over here. So we have successfully printed a variable. So now let's keep a integer. For now I'm going to give integer as 90, and now press run. See, it is giving us 90 over here, and this is a string because I had kept it in quotation marks. So let's make it as an integer by keeping 90 again. So now press run. Now also it is giving 90. And why it happens? Because before we have kept the quotation marks, means it will print as a string, and if you took out those quotation marks for any numbers, then it will become an integer. See, here it gave us as a integer when I had kept my cursor on 90. Again, if I kept it in quotation marks, then it will become a string. That's why we shouldn't keep these quotation marks while using a integer or a float, unless you want to print a sentence or a fixed number. See, it has full up our terminal, so let's clear it. Now let's define a float. 90.6 is a float. See, it has printed. We have done all this, but all this is a boring stuff. So let's make it interactive. For this, I had made few sentences called Timmy is a cat. Wait a second, I'll explain you what is this. And I want to store it, not storing, I want to print it. And whole is a statement, so it's a string. And here, in case you want to change this name without changing manually like typing, you need to do a small work by using variables. That is, let's define a variable called name. Sorry, name. And here let's keep uh, yes, Snoopy. And this is a name. And here, if you want Snoopy to be printed over here, otherwise if you want to change the name while doing this or changing this dynamically without typing, then you can use name over here. And you can mix this statement and variable using this format, name and name plus and press quotation marks. See, now it will work. And don't forget to give here a small space, otherwise it will come Snoopy is a cat as mixed. So you have to do like this. And now print. See, it is giving Snoopy is a cat. And if you want to change the name without touching this statement, you can change from here. And in case this is only a single line, but if you think I have wrote a big story and I want to change the name of a character, then I can assign a variable to it as a name. Then if I change this name over here, then everywhere in the story or a screenplay will be changed. Let me show you in a second. If I had changed this Snoopy into tiger, then here tiger is a cat, it will be printed. See, this is the use case of variables in Python. Thank you for watching. This is for today, and in the next video I will explain you the another topic on using these variables. And in the next video I'm going to mix some math in this Python. End the video and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and more video content. Thank you.